This is a quick tutorial on how to give somebody co-host access on an Airbnb listing. So what a co-host does is they can help edit a listing, and they can also handle reservation requests from clients. You can grant co-host access to someone, and you can also easily take it away. So what you want to do is go to airbnb.com/hostings/listings. That's listings with an S. Okay, and you'll come to this page where you see all of your listings. Now, this is from a computer view. When you do click on your listing, it's actually a bit confusing. There's a little square here, there's a click here, and you can also click update here. Personally, I prefer clicking on the writing because it's a much nicer edit layout. So go ahead and click on the the writing of your listing. And then you're going to get to the edit layout where you can easily change all the features of your listing. Um, so you're going to see all the tabs are right here. And if you want to go to your calendar, you can click right here and you can update your calendar, open up your dates or your prices. But anyways, to add a co-host, you're just going to click this button. Okay, and then you're going to press the add the co-host button, put their email in here, agree, and press OK. That's it. Thank you.